Hi everybody, this is Dr. Bill here to help you get rid of your cough. This is what I found that works for me. I had a cough for 3 days and this remedy really helped. This is not that expensive. You can get it, pretty much at any Bevmo or, Total Wine. It's called beer. Good beer, okay? This really helps, alright? All you do is grab your beer and your really cool bottle opener, okay? Hang on a second. Yeah, there. Cool, alright. After you get your really cool bottle opener and you open your really cool beer, your medicine, you, hang on, how am I gonna do this? Okay, you pour it, okay? Just like this, alright? Into your glass. Like this, okay? This is how you get rid of your bad cough. Okay? Really good beer medicine will tend to have a lot of foam like that. So you gotta wait for a minute for the magic foam to go down. That's gonna get rid of your stubborn cough. Alright, so let's just wait for a minute. Well, if you're wondering, this is my camper van that I'm in. I'm camping. And came down with a little cough, so I decided to share with you my remedy of my Bill's Magic Cough Killer Reducer, whatever. Alright, it's almost there. And this is made by Clown Shoes, is the name of the brand, and it's called Brown Angel. It's a double brown beer, and it's double good for those who have double the cough. Okay, so how you take this, you hold the medicine bottle up to your face and you take a drink. It's quite good medicine. Tastes like chocolate milk and coffee and caramel. Yum. It's not bad at all. So you have it. Dr. Bill's remedy to get rid of that stubborn cough that you can't get rid of. Okay? Good luck.